Everyone thinks the best-selling drones under $200 are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Loily 2K HD Drone. First up is the Loily drone, priced at just $39.99. What caught my eye was its impressive 2K HD camera and bestseller badge. If you want an affordable way to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, this is worth a serious look. The drone features altitude hold and optical flow positioning, which makes it easier to keep the camera steady while you're flying. Plus, with 2 batteries included, you get around 26 minutes of flight time, great for a full session without frequent recharging. Now, some people complained about the control range being somewhat limited. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or using it for casual photography, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for beginners who are just dipping their toes into drone flying. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a simple, fun way to take aerial shots. Skip this one if you're serious about professional-grade filming. For under $40, it really delivers good value. Now, if the control range of the Loily bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Oddire HD Foldable Drone. Next up is the Oddire drone, retailing at $41.99. The first thing I noticed was its foldable design and 1080p HD camera. If you want a portable drone that's packed with features, this one's worth considering. The Oddire drone has multiple fun functions like gravity control and 3D flips, which can make your flying experience a lot more exciting. The 1080p camera can be adjusted remotely for those perfect shots, and the stable hover technology really helps keep things steady. Plus, with 2 batteries providing about 25-28 minutes of flight time, you won't feel rushed while capturing your adventures. However, some users reported that calibrating it can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process, especially for those who enjoy some hands-on learning. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, user-friendly drone that's easy to pack and go. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-high-definition video quality. For the price, it offers solid performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more advanced features. Product number 3, Karuis RC GPS Drone. Now let's talk about the Karuis RC GPS drone, priced at $139.99. The standout feature here is the 4.5-inch screen on the controller, which really enhances your flying experience. If you're looking for something that offers more control and high-quality footage, this drone is worth checking out. Plus, it has Follow Me and Orbit mode, letting you create cinematic footage without much hassle. It offers a control range of up to 400 meters, which is fantastic for exploring larger areas. Capturing vibrant landscapes with professional color accuracy is definitely a bonus. Some users mentioned that setting up the GPS can take a bit of time initially. But I'll be real with you, that's pretty normal for GPS drones, and the reliability once set up makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're into vlogging or outdoor adventures and want a drone that can keep up with you. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, less tech-heavy option. For what you pay, you're getting a lot of advanced features. Now, if you're looking for a budget option with better video quality, this next one is a fantastic alternative. Product number 4, REDRIE 4K Foldable Drone. Check out the REDRIE foldable drone, priced at $98.99. This one caught my attention because it features a 4K UHD camera, which is a big deal at this price point. If you're serious about quality aerial photography without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. The drone is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. Plus, with a total flight time of about 40-45 minutes thanks to 2 batteries, you won't be constantly recharging. On the flip side, some users noted that it might struggle in strong winds. But honestly, for casual use and light winds, it performs admirably and provides great value for the price. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for quality aerial content without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need something super rugged for extreme conditions. The feature set really offers a lot for under $100. Now, if you're looking for even more advanced features without going overboard on price, the next drone is worth your attention. Product number 5, Otter 4K GPS Drone. Finally, we have the Otter 4K GPS drone priced at $116.95. What really stands out is its intelligent GPS technology and the impressive 48-minute flight time. If you want a drone that's packed with advanced features for a great price, this is a solid choice. It also has various smart flight modes like GPS follow and waypoint flight, making it user-friendly and fun to operate. The added power of a 7.7V battery gives you more durability and longer flight times. One downside is that you'll need an SD card to store your footage, which some users found inconvenient. But here's the thing, this is pretty standard for drones in this price range, and the quality you get definitely compensates for it. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich drone that doesn't require a huge investment. Skip this if you're looking for something very basic. The value you get is impressive for what you pay. In today's video, we explored 5 fantastic drones under $200. We started with the budget-friendly Loyally 2K HD drone, moved to the versatile Otter HD, and then to the more advanced Karus RC GPS drone. The REDRIE offered excellent 4K quality, and finally the Otter 4K GPS drone wrapped things up with its impressive features. Each of these drones has its unique strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy flying!